How to get a Reddit API key. Let's jump straight into it. So the link down below, which is reddit.com/prefs/apps. Now you need to be signed in onto your Reddit account and you should have this pop up. Now what you do from here, this is how you get the Reddit API key, is you click on this box right here. Now name, if you're working with my Reddit scraper as an example, so Reddit scraper, but you can call this whatever you want. Call it Jim's hot dog stand. Doesn't matter for the Reddit API. Okay, go script, especially if you're using my sheets, use script. Description, again, you can just put whatever you want in here. About, this is where you can put your website as an example. So www.osborndm.com. Now the redirect URL, this thing's quite annoying. You actually need to get this right here. Okay, so I'm just going to put this will also be on the sheet for you, is you need to put this thing right here, this HTTP /localhost 800. Click the I'm not a robot and create app. Oh, turns out that you can't actually have it. Let's just put scraper and put Reddit. I'm not a robot, create app. And that's it. That's your Reddit API key. So here's the information, this thing right here. Obviously I'm blurring it out. And then this is your secret key here. Now, if you're using one of my sheets, this is how you would simply input it into the Reddit scraper. The Reddit client ID, the top one, and then the secret is the secret one, literally what was shown as the second thing. And that is how you set up, that's how you get a Reddit API key. It's that simple. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. Put a comment down below if I've helped you get this with ease. Thanks, legends.